Good morning. How are you today, grade 2? I hope all of you are fine and okay. Today we are going to continue yesterday's lesson 9.3, where we learn how to measure an object using centimeter ruler, okay? Now, yesterday we solved page 616. Today we are going to solve page 617 on your own board. In question number 4, as you can see here, we got a ruler or a ribbon, something or an object that has a lot of dogs on it, okay? Now we want to measure this object, so I will try to draw a ruler right here to show you how to measure, okay? Let's imagine that this is a ruler. Please don't draw this. You should be using a ruler instead of my drawing, okay? This drawing is just to show you that we should put the left edge by the 0 mark, okay? This is very important. And we start counting all the coming centimeters till the right edge or the end of the object. And we look to the nearest centimeter. So for example, if we got here 13 or 15, let's make it 15. If we got here 15 and 14 is here, so of course this is around 15 centimeter, okay? So let's erase all of this, use your rulers as I told you now, and let's measure it together. Now, when I measured this, I find out that this object is 15 centimeter. It's 15 centimeter, okay? Now, if you do the same with the coming question where we have a pencil right here in question number 5, you will find it to be 8 centimeter, okay? And for the music note in question number 6, you will find it 10 centimeter. Now, when you are going to find that the length is somehow in between two numbers, it's almost near a certain number. So it will not be just at 15 or just at 8 or 10, no. You will find it somehow almost to reach this number. So, as you can see here, we are trying to get the length to the nearest centimeter, okay? Now, the last one, number 7, it's 14 centimeter. Excellent. Now, I want to ask you a question right here. What is the longest object? The longest object. This, of course, is the longest object. Which one is the shortest object? The pencil, right? This small pencil is the shortest one. Okay, if I told you what is the difference between the longest object and the shortest object, what can you do? I am asking you about the difference between the longest one and the shortest one. So of course you will say it's 15 minus 8 in order to get the difference between them, okay? And you will find it to be 7 centimeter. So the longest object here, which number 4, this object, is longer than the shortest one by how many centimeter? 7 centimeter, okay? Now let's answer the last question right here in this page. It says, go deeper. A marker is almost 13 centimeters long. This length ends between which 2 centimeter marks on a ruler? Now here the key word I want you to highlight is almost. Here, if you just think about it, almost means what? Almost means it was about to reach this place, okay? So almost means there was just a tiny space or a tiny distance